Hello everyone. Children, we were discussing about the bacteria, right? And we are continuing the topic. Bacteria may be photoautotrophs. Okay? Photoautotrophs. Some bacteria are autotrophs. Photoautotrophs. Autotrophs means they synthesize the sunlight. Photo means sunlight. They synthesize the sunlight for the preparation of their food. Or they may be chemoautotrophs also. They synthesize the chemicals for their food. They may be saprotrophs. Saprotrophs means they depend on the dead and decaying organic matter. Next one is symbiotic symbionts. Symbiotic association. They show the symbiotic association in the root nodules of some leguminous plants. For example, Rhizobium bacteria survive in the root nodules of leguminous plants for the fixation of nitrogen. Clear? So these are the various type of bacteria, or they do their nutrition by means of photoautotrophic, saprotrophic, chemoautotrophic and symbiotic, by means of symbiotic mode of nutrition. Right? We have studied about the Archaebacteria, and we have studied about the Eubacteria, and the third topic is Cyanobacteria. Right? They have the complete cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. As we have studied, the cell wall of bacteria are made up of peptidoglycan. The function of the bacteria is to photosynthesize the organic matter, or the function is to do the photosynthesis. So many blue-green algae are known as the cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae. Algae is basically the division of kingdom Plantae, but it is the prokaryotic cell, so it is also placed in the monerans also, right? So it is the cyanobacteria which do the highly amount of photosynthesis for our planet and for the organism of oceans and seas. They are present in the oceans and seas in the large colonies, or in on the surface of fresh water in the large colonies, right? So they do the high amount of photosynthesis. So these are known as producers also. Clear? Next आता है हमारा mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is lacking the cell wall. This is only the bacteria who doesn't have the cell wall. Right? Cyanobacteria is having the cell wall. Eubacteria is having the cell wall. Archaebacteria is also having the cell wall. But the mycoplasma is not having the cell wall. And where we capture those organisms? On the places where the cattle are there, on the dung of cattle, and the cattle who are suffering from pleuropneumonia, right? So these are known as pleuropneumonia like organism. Pleuropneumonia like organism. These are very minute organisms. PPLO. They cause the bunchy top of banana in the banana plant. Right? So these are the four divisions of the kingdom Monera. One is Archaebacteria. Second one is Eubacteria. Third one is Cyanobacteria. And fourth one is Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma basically cause the diseases in plants or organisms, right? Cyanobacteria is basically plays a major role in the photosynthesis of the planet, and Eubacteria is useful in the preparation of various food products as well as for the medicines also. It is also useful in causing the diseases in so many various plants and animals. And Archaebacteria are present on the marshy areas. They produce the methane gas, right? And they are basically the anaerobic bacteria. So this is all about the bacteria. Thank you everyone.